everyone. Hi everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the topic which I'm going to show you right now is creating file system. So file system is very important part of Linux. So if you know the hierarchy of the file system in Linux is starting from slash. So from slash it is coming to different subfolders like slash root, which is the home folder for the root user, slash var, slash temp, slash opt, slash user, slash bin, slash sbin. So these are the file system hierarchy. So basically we're going to create one file system. We'll create it manually, and I'll show it to you how to create a file system in Linux, which is very basic fundamental part of Linux. So I'm directly going to the server without wasting time. So I'm on the server. So you see there are default file systems //dev shm run boot. So these are the basic file systems. So now I'll create one file system for this server. So before I create a file system, I need a disk. That file system is nothing but pointing a disk to a particular mount point. So I'll go to the vCenter. I'll go to the setting. I'll go to the hard disks. I'll go to the add option. There is option next. I'll select SCSI. You know the difference between SCSI and SATA. There is the disk type. Recommended is SCSI. Create a new virtual disk. I require 5 GB, for example, because I just want to show you guys how to do that. This is the file name, that vmdk. Now it's finished. I should do it OK. So now OK, there is a command called dmessage. So I just want to check whether dmessage is having any information related to my disk which is inserted just now or not. Otherwise I can check by one thing. What the disk just got inserted. So you see my this disk got inserted at August 6th, because that was the day I installed this server. So now today is August 10. So I need to see why my disks are not showing. So there is a process called scanning the disk. So I need to scan the disk. Okay, so I need to do scanning. So there is a command called this. So sys class post scan. So this is showing me invalid argument. So I need to give a space. I just check for 0, 1, 2. Don't think 3 will be there. 3 is there. Perfect. Now I'm going to check the message. checking the message files. Okay. Okay. I'll just check the disk once again now. You'll see my SDB got inserted. So if I check this, perfect, not a problem. I got my disk, so I'll do a port probe to send the information to the kernel regarding that my disk level. But before I do that, I should create a mount point. It's a 5 GB of space, you see. I'll create a mount point for N for creation, P for primary, and E for extended. I'll give a primary partition number 1, then the first sector I'll give a default and I'll enter it. The last sector I want to use the full space. Try to see the partition table is created. Yes, it is SDB1 is the partition table name. So I just want to change the toggle. So you can see by listing what are the types. I know 80 is for Linux LVM, so I created it and I saved it. SDB1 is created. So now to send the information to the kernel, I need to do this. Now I'll do this pv create. It's not found, it's normal. VG create, VG data, LV create. Meanwhile I'll check VG display, VG data. You see the total of 1279 free spaces. LV create minus L plus this one LV data, VG data, logical volume created. So now I want to create the file system. XFS /def VG data, LV data. It's done. I'll create one directory. It's already existing. Okay, so I'll create apply. So I'll do these things /def mapper XFS. Do a mount hyphen A to mount it properly. I'll see the apply. So file system is created, and I can see the mount points. See if I reboot the server also, it should come automatically, because I just put the entry in the FS tab, so it's a hard mount. Okay, so I think it should restart now. I should get the login screen. Okay. See, I can see the mount points. You see? So it's done, guys. So we are done with the creation of the file system. So I'll come back in my next session how to increase and decrease the file system size, and what are the file system hierarchies available in Linux, so that you can better understand. So these are the basic steps for the operations. The guy who will be handling day-to-day operation in any organization will be this video will be useful for him or her. So best of luck, guys. Keep posting, keep suggesting the ideas and any recommendations, any advice are appreciated. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. See you.